Hello, I'm Dr. Jagdish Hiremat, practicing interventional cardiologist in Ruby Hall Clinic, Pune. I am the director of Cath Lab here. There are some basics about the therapy of high blood pressure. How does one treat blood pressure is what we're going to check. There is a non-pharmacological treatment and a pharmacological treatment. The non-pharmacological is more related to lifestyle changes. For blood pressure, especially important is weight reduction. If a good weight reduction is obtained, then probably 5 millimeters of mercury, 10 millimeters of mercury blood pressure can get reduced on its own, and you may avoid a tablet. So is important the salt restriction. Maximum of 5 grams of salt is allowed for a blood pressure individual, which is filling the teaspoonful to the brim is 5 grams of salt. The other aspect of non-pharmacological management is relaxation. It could be in the form of yoga, meditation, or relaxation techniques, hobbies, games. This is all form of relaxation. All this is very ideal if somebody follows lifestyle modification and non-pharmacological treatment. One can reduce about 10 to 15 millimeters of mercury systolic and 5 to 10 millimeters of mercury diastolic blood pressure, and you may get rid of a tablet if you are sitting on a borderline blood pressure. Majority of the time this is ideal but not practical. Majority of the people are not able to follow the rigorous lifestyle very regularly. That's why the pharmacotherapy becomes very important. You follow certain lifestyle and yet the blood pressure is above 140 by 90, then you need to take medicines. There are a number of medicines. Some of them act by increasing the diameter of the arteries, so the blood pressure falls. Some of them reduce the heart rate, and that's why the blood pressure falls. Some excrete or put the sodium out of the body through urine. That's why the blood pressure falls. So these are the type of blood pressure medicines that we have. These medicines are important and they act for about 22 hours maximum. So every 24 hours later, you would have to have medication. Medications are going to be lifelong for most of the antihypertensive, for most of the blood pressure patients. There are certain investigations like the cardiogram, the 2D echocardiography, the blood chemistry, the sugars, the cholesterol. These are the allied investigations related to blood pressure. There are some mechanical treatments like renal artery angioplasty is something which is done so that blood pressure can be treated. So in short, for therapy of hypertension, non-pharmacological treatment of lifestyle modification and pharmacological treatment based on combination of medicine is what we need to follow.